Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the DU5G router is powered and that you're connected to its network. Wired Ethernet is best for stability. Next, open a browser and type the gateway IP, commonly 192.168.1.1, or the address on the router label. When prompted, enter the admin username and password. Use default credentials only if you haven't changed them. If you can't log in, pause and note any error messages. Those will guide the next steps. Once logged in, go to Administration or Wireless Settings to find the password fields. For Wi-Fi, pick the SSID you want to change. For router access, look for Admin or Management password. Replace the existing password with a strong one. Use 12 or more characters that mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to record it securely. After entering the new password, click Save or Apply. Expect the router to briefly restart or drop connections while changes take effect. Once done, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password and confirm internet access. Then log in to the router's admin page to verify the admin password change persisted. If you can't log back in, don't panic. Try a browser cache clear or another device first. If you remain locked out, perform a factory reset using the router's reset button and reconfigure settings. This erases custom settings, so make sure you have ISP details and SSID info before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.